Assalamu alaikum students. Meaning of income and expenditure account. Okay. So before starting the actual meaning, first I tell you income and expenditure account are similar to a profit and loss account, because we prepare profit and loss account in final account, right, to check our net profit and our net loss. But in NPO we prepare income and expenditure account. Through this account we see or we earn either surplus or either deficit, right? They both are the same, only name is different. Because in profit and loss account, on debit side we write all the expenses and losses, and on credit side we write all income and gain. Because in profit and loss account we apply a nominal account formula: debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Same as in income and expenditure account, on debit side we write all the expenditure, and on credit side we write all the income. And same formula applied on income and expenditure account, because it's a nominal account, right? A nominal account stand for debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Income and expenditure account is a summary of revenue, income and revenue expenses of a particular period. It is similar to profit and loss account. It is a nominal account. Not for profit concern prepare income and expenditure account. All revenue expenses and losses of current year are debited. All revenue income oblique gain of current year are credited in this account. Now first we see what is an income. In income and expenditure account only, revenue incomes or gain of the current year are credited. Example: subscription received, interest on investment received, sundry receipts, general donations received, tuition fees received, etc. Income received for previous year or for next year are not taken into this account. However, all incomes pertaining to current year, whether received or not received, or received during the previous year for this year, are taken into account. On the other hand, outstanding income and pre-received income of current year are considered. Okay, now इन सिंपल वर्ड, अब इस सिंपल में इसको हम कैसे बताएंगे कि इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट वो अकाउंट होता है जिसमें ओनली एंड ओनली करंट ईयर के इनकम और गेन लिखे जाते हैं. इनकम एग्जाम्पल: सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड, एडमिशन फीस रिसीव्ड, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट रिसीव्ड, डोनेशन रिसीव्ड, एक्सेट्रा, राइट. एंड इनकम रिसीव्ड फॉर प्रीवियस ईयर मतलब पिछला साल, एंड इनकम रिसीव्ड फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर मीन्स आने वाला साल, राइट. ये दोनों हम टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन नहीं लेते हैं. मतलब पिछले साल की इनकम और आने वाले साल की इनकम हम इसमें नहीं लिखते हैं. सेम एज इनकम ऑफ करंट ईयर वेदर रिसीव्ड और नॉट रिसीव्ड और रिसीव्ड ड्यूरिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर मीन्स करंट ईयर की इनकम हमें हुई है या नहीं हुई है. फॉर एग्जांपल हमें हो गई और वो पिछले साल हुई है, प्रीवियस ईयर में हुई है, राइट. तो वो भी हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. क्यों लिखते हैं? बिकॉज इट्स अ करंट ईयर इनकम रिसीव्ड इन प्रीवियस ईयर. एंड ऑन अदर हैंड, आउटस्टैंडिंग इनकम और प्री रिसीव्ड इनकम of the current year are considered. Same as outstanding income means income done but not received, or pre-received income means, for example, our current year is 2020 and 21 and we received income in 19 and 20, right. हमको 20-21 की इनकम 19-20 में ही मिल गई थी, तो हमारे कौन सी ईयर की इनकम हुई? करंट ईयर की इनकम हुई, तो उसको भी हम यहाँ पे कंसीडर करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, एक्सपेंडिचर. only revenue expenses or losses of current year are debited to this account. Items of expenses of not for profit concern may differ from concern to concern. Expenses paid for previous year or for next year are not taken into account. Means what? Only revenue expenses और losses, जो भी हमारे पैसे के expenses या losses है वही हम सिर्फ इस expenditure account में लिखते हैं. Expenses are the loss paid for previous year, पिछले साल के लिए जो हमने पेड किए, और फॉर करंट ईयर, आने वाले साल के लिए हमने पेड किए, इज़ नॉट टेकन इनटू अकाउंट. राइट, वो हम अकाउंट में एंट्री नहीं करेंगे. However, all expenses pertaining to current year, whether actually paid or not paid during the previous year or current year, are taken into account. Means what? Current year expenses paid in previous year or current year's expenses till not to be paid, उसको हम क्या करेंगे, इसी साल में current year में considered करेंगे. In other hand, outstanding expenses and prepaid expenses during previous year are considered. Same as outstanding expenses and prepaid expenses during previous year. मतलब previous year के outstanding हम इस साल में कंसिडर करेंगे. लिसन स्टूडेंट, हम इनकम कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं, बट वी कंसिडर द एक्सपेंसेस एंड प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस ड्यूरिंग प्रीवियस ईयर आर कंसिडर्ड. Income and expenditure account shows surplus or deficit of the concern. Excess of income over expenditure is known as surplus. Listen again students, excess of income over expenditure is known as surplus. Means हमारी income ज़्यादा है expenditure से, तो हमारा क्या हुआ, वो surplus. While excess of expenditure over income is known as deficit. And second क्या होता है, हमारा expenditure ज़्यादा है income से, so it's called deficit. If there is a surplus, it is added to capital fund, or if it's a deficit, it is deducted from the capital fund. It's similar to a balance sheet or same as a balance sheet. If you earn net profit, we add in capital. If you have a net loss, it will be deducted from the capital account. Clear? Next, what is the features of income and expenditure account? Income and expenditure account is a nominal account. Why? Because at first I tell you it's similar to a profit and loss account. This account records only revenue, expenses and income of current year only. Third, it is similar to profit and loss account. It is prepared to find out surplus, either deficit. Income and expenditure account is always accompanied with balance sheet. It has no opening balance because it's not a profit concern. Next, surplus or deficit is transferred to capital fund. It records all cash item as well as non-cash item which are related to current period. Example, salary paid, outstanding salary, bad debts, depreciation on fixed assets, etc. Means what? इसके अंदर कैश के आइटम्स तो लिखे जाते हैं as well as जो नॉन कैश आइटम्स है but related to current year only have been recorded. Okay, now next we are seeing the specimen of income and expenditure account. Number first, on expenditure side, to salary paid, less paid for last year or paid for next year. As I told you earlier, record only current year's expenses. प्रीवियस ईयर के और लास्ट ईयर के हम इसमें लेस करते हैं. ऐड आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर करंट ईयर एंड ऐड प्रीपेड फॉर लास्ट ईयर. प्रीपेड फॉर लास्ट ईयर मीन्स करंट ईयर्स सैलरी. ओके, नेक्स्ट टू वेजेस, प्रिंटिंग एंड स्टेशनरी, रेंट, interest, conveyance, rates and taxes, insurance premium, audit fees, office expenses, telephone/mobile expenses, medicines, sports material consumed during the year, and sports material, that is opening stock at purchases less closing stock, then repairs and maintenance, electricity charges, newspaper and periodicals called magazine, then sundry expenses, loss on sale of assets, depreciation on fixed asset, and last surplus. Surplus means excess of income over expenditure. Now on income side, we received, first we write subscription received less received for last year and received for next year. सेम लास्ट ईयर का भी हम लेस करते हैं और नेक्स्ट ईयर का भी हम लेस करते हैं. नेक्स्ट ऐड रिसीव्ड ड्यूरिंग लास्ट ईयर फॉर करंट ईयर, मीन्स लास्ट ईयर जो हमको सब्सक्रिप्शन मिली थी करंट ईयर के लिए वो हम ऐड करते हैं, एंड आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर करंट ईयर. देन रेंट रिसीव्ड, इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड, डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड, गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट्स, ग्राउंड रेंट, sundry receipts, interest receipt, entrance fees, admission fees, donation, and profit on sale of assets, and last deficit called excess of expenditure over income. As you all see, on debit side we write expenditure, and on credit side we write all income, same as in profit and loss account. On debit side we write all losses and on credit side we write all the incomes. Now we are going to see the distribution, receipts and payment account, and income and expenditure account. First, types of account. Receipts and payment account is considered as a real account. Why real account? डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. जो भी आया उसे डेबिट करो, जो भी चला गया उसे क्रेडिट करो. बट इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ नॉमिनल अकाउंट. वाई? डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस, क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम एंड गेन. नेचर, receipts and payment account is similar to a cash book. But income and expenditure account is similar to a profit and loss account. Objects, it is prepared to present a summary of a cash transactions. Receipts and payments में क्या होता है? Only cash transaction. That's why it's similar to cash book. But in income and expenditure account, it is prepared to ascertain the net result of income and expenditure transactions. Next, opening balance. It starts with opening cash balance and bank balance or bank overdraft. But income and expenditure account has no opening balance. Then closing balance. The closing balance represent cash in hand and cash of bank at the end of given period. In receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account, the closing balance represent either surplus or deficit. Receipts and payment account. All receipts and payment during the current period are recorded in this account. Clear है? Receipt and payment में क्या होता है? All the expenses of current year only have been recorded, but in income and expenditure account only revenue receipts and revenue expenses are related to current period are recorded in this account. Non-cash items. Non-cash items are not recorded in this book. In receipt and payment account there will be no non-cash item have been recorded, but in income and expenditure account cash item like bad debts, depreciation, outstanding expenses, etc. are also included. Right? In this account, non-cash item like bad debts, depreciation, outstanding expenses are also recorded. Next, all accounts. all transaction related to personal account, real account and nominal account. In income expenditure account, this all the transactions are related to only nominal account. Period. It includes amount received or amount paid for any period like previous year, current year or next year. But in income expenditure account, amount related to current year only included, right? Receipt and payment में क्या होता है? Amount received or paid for period like previous, current, next, all are recorded. But in income expenditure, only current year's amount has been recorded. And last, balance sheet. It needs not to be necessarily accompanied by a balance sheet. Receipts and payment account need not to be necessary to accompany with balance sheet, but in income and expenditure account, it is always accompanied by a balance sheet. It is the distinguish of, and it is a difference between a receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. Thank you, students. Assalamu alaikum.